So I was recently cleaning out my craft room and I found this gem. It's this really big truck that has interchangeable pieces that I got at Hobby Lobby a while ago. And it got me thinking, is the truck, red truck, whatever, still popular? And I was thinking about it and I was like, I really haven't seen that. So I did what anyone does these days and I went to Google. And this is what Google has to say. So Google says that it is iconic and that it's still trending today. And I thought to myself, you know what? I'm going to go test it for myself. So is Google right? Is the truck still trending? Because if it is, when we go to the store, we're going to be able to find some crafting things that have to do with the truck. Now, over time, it stopped being the little red truck so much as just a truck in general. So that's what we're looking for, truck crafts. I'm going to go to Hobby Lobby, Michael's, and the Dollar Tree. Let's see if Google is right. So recently, my town got a Hobby Lobby like superstore. I don't know if that's a thing, but that's what I'm calling it. This Hobby Lobby is the biggest Hobby Lobby I have ever seen in my life. And if there's going to be truck crafts, it's going to be in this Hobby Lobby. So we're going to go in there and we're going to see what we can find. It's the grand opening, so it is pretty busy in here, but like I said, this is the biggest Hobby Lobby I've ever seen or ever been in. So let's go check it out and see if we can find anything that is truck craft related. So here we are in like the unfinished wood area. This has an entire aisle. Let's see if you guys can see. Like, it's huge. I see a lot of cows, which we'll have to do a poll on which things we should make from here. I see a lot of bows. I do spot a truck. Not quite as big as the one I had, so they're getting smaller, but they do have one.
Megan, call 22. Megan, call 22.
And we'll pick this one up. But I do not see any more on this aisle. But believe it or not, this Hobby Lobby has more unfinished wood. So let's go find it. Now this is adorable. Not trucks, but definitely adorable, and definitely we should make that. This is really funny. So we are done with our Hobby Lobby shop, and there really was no other crafts except for our truck that we found. And then here are a few other items that I saw throughout the store. There was one little truck in the spring section, and then the rest of the truck decor were some pictures that I found in like their everyday decorating area. So it's not a spring item, nothing that's on sale, stuff that they cover regularly. So not a lot going on in that store. So let's head over to a Dollar Tree and see what Dollar Tree has. All right, we're at the Dollar Tree, and so far there is not anything. So I found found literally nothing that had to do with trucks or red trucks in the Dollar Tree. In fact, my Dollar Tree like had very little crafting items to begin with. So now we're going to head over to Michael's and see what we can find. That is it for Michael's, and there was nothing in Michael's that I could see that was truck related for crafting or decorating for that matter. There, I did not see any. So let's head back to our Google example. And in our Google example, it said that the truck was still iconic and trending. And I think that we can safely say, Google, you failed. In my experience going to these 3 stores, there are no truck decor items, and I don't think that the truck is really trending anymore. I will give it that it talked about a little bit of the Christmas with the Christmas tree, and we're not at Christmas season, so maybe in December we'll see that trending again, but I am highly suspicious that it will not be as prevalent as we think it will. So having said that, if decorating with the iconic truck is your thing, please keep decorating with it. I want your home to be something that makes you happy. And if that is something that you love and it makes you happy, by all means, keep it around, keep decorating with it. They don't get to say what you put in your house. So now that we've established what is not trending, let's talk about what is trending. So something I noticed a lot of around Hobby Lobby was definitely cows, Highland cows in particular. There are a lot of signs and things like that to hang on the wall. There are funny cows, there are realistic cows, there are animated cows. Something that's really popular this year is the animal that's got bold prints, that's more animated, cartoony. I saw a couple of, not cows, but other animals in that style. So definitely Highland cows. Here are some crafting options for cows, Highland cows in particular, but there is this really cute cow sign, and then there is also a welcome sign that is more Highland cow looking. I also saw a few little plaster figurines that you could paint. I used to do ceramics several years ago. These don't look like typical ceramics. They look like they could possibly be a little bit harder to paint, but they're cute and unfinished. Secondly, something else that I noticed was really popular are bows. Bows are everywhere. They are on things, they are by themselves. There are several diamond darts, which if you didn't know, Hobby Lobby's having a moment with their diamond art. So there are several bow options in the diamond art. If we're going for unfinished wood craft items, there are several. We've got some shelves, we've got just some signs. I found a few in particular, like signs that were decor pieces that I really like that were just bows. But there are tons of options for bow crafting. Something else I noticed is florals. So we're talking about groups of florals. We're also talking about like signs that are collages of flowers, more cartoony looking flowers. Flowers are definitely like a statement. There are several crafting options in the unfinished wood area that are flower related. My favorite being this one that kind of has the glitter on it. I really like that one. And then last but not least, fruit. So there is a lot of fruit pieces, mostly cherries is what I saw, but we still have a strong strawberry, lemon, orange, and of course my favorite, we can debate this all day, but tomatoes. They have some really cute tomato things. So we have identified 4 kind of major themes that we're seeing at Hobby Lobby for decor and unfinished wood crafts. So I want to know down in the comments, what is the one that you're most excited for? If you're excited for the cow/western, give me a cow emoji. If you're excited for bows, give me a bow emoji. If you're excited for fruit, give me a fruit emoji. And if you're excited for florals, give me a floral or flower emoji. I am so excited to get to some of these really fun crafting options at Hobby Lobby. If you're interested in some more Hobby Lobby content, check out this video next. I think you'll really enjoy it, and I will see you in my next video, friends. Bye!